to fix Xbox Game Pass games not launching on PC. So if you want to fix the Xbox Game Pass games not launching on your PC, then what you need to do is first make sure that your Xbox is up to date. So go with your Microsoft Store, go with search, which is on the upper side, search for Xbox, and here you will have your Xbox installed. You just need to simply click on it, and if you have any updates, you just need to simply go with update and update the application. Once you update it, you can open it up. Once you've launched your Xbox, now you just need to simply go with your Xbox, and here you will have your games, right? So what you need to do is just right click on your games. Once you right click on it, you will have the manage option. Go with manage and then go with files. And after that, you will have verify and repair option. You just need to simply go with verify and repair, and then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then the second solution is you just need to simply remove the application or close the application. And after that, right click on your taskbar and then go with task manager. Once you're under the task manager, now if you have any unwanted applications running in your background, then you just need to simply go and turn those off. Once you turn those off, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with the apps section, go with installed apps, and go with the Xbox application and right click on it. Just go with the three dots, go with advanced options, and here you need to scroll down, go with repair, and then once you repair, you need to click on reset, and after that remove, and then restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your Xbox Game Pass games not launching on your PC, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.